Good morning, everyone. Being a team of member of to prevent stroke in Africa, among our team today, I will explain and help each of us what to know about stroke first. As we are working in with English people and French people, I would like to put my slide in French and I will speak in English. Then I will explain in detail what we have present. This is an approach and protocol of a stroke, and it is presenting by me. This is my full name, and among this slide, I've been presenting with some professor and some doctor of a lot of Kinshasa, hospital of Kinshasa, and some most of doctor, good intensivist, and a lot of neuropsychiatrists. Then we are developing this protocol, and we are working on awareness of stroke. And our team, we cannot work on this awareness if we don't know exactly what is a stroke and how stroke it is developing. WHO define a stroke, it is as a rapid development of some sign, can be local or global, and that is leading to what? Leading to some dysfunction of cerebral brain perfusion, and it is depending of the condition of the patient. Some people can be fatal and they can die, and some people can live with this neurological issue. And stroke having a lot of mechanism, and some mechanism can be any obstruction. You can see I've put here any obstruction can lead to stroke, because how stroke it is developing. Stroke it is developing by blocking or rupture or any vessel of the brain, and each part of the brain control any specific area of our upper limb or lower limb, or depending of the way we are talking, remaining all way. And that is why I want to have this wonderful approach. Then sometimes also if blood pressure it is high, if someone is diabetic, if someone having some metabolic disorder, some cholesterol issue going to high, and most of those are risk factor of stroke. Imagine that your BP is not controlled, blood pressure it is too much high. That means the perfusion of the brain it will be too much high, and when the vessel is unable to support this pressure, and you can see a rupture directly, and this rupture can be fatal for any one of us. And when this rupture or any blockage it is there, then you can see a neural issue, and you can see some edema around this area that the stroke has been developing. This is an image that I was wanting to share with all my team. You can see this MRI image. Then you can this is two different sequences. Then you can see in this area these white things. Then you can, in another sequence you can see this very dark. This is that according to this an ischemic stroke has been developing in this area, and you can see how the brain it is not perfused. You can see how the brain it is damaged, and as we know this impact, it will help us to target in what type of audience we can share this knowledge. This was just an explanation of a type of stroke, ischemic stroke, and we can have some arterial ischemic stroke, and we can have some venous ischemic stroke also. Then what I was saying that about ischemic stroke, you can have seen some etiology. Most of this etiology can be arteriosclerosis, can be an embolism, it can be a lot of things that we can developing. The main message that I was wanting to share, that stroke can be due of hypertension, can be due of tobacco, can be due of dyslipidemia, that means high level of cholesterol, can be due of diabetes, it can be due also obesity, and some patients also that are too much alcohol, they can developing also stroke. The reason why that is how stroke awareness will be based on prevention. Or prevention we should work on to help people to control their blood pressure if they have it, to reduce smoking or stop smoking, to control this cholesterol level. If you are diabetic, you should control it, and obesity, you should do a lot of exercise to reduce this weight. And alcoholism also, we should do our best to be perfect and to lead this message. I am very happy that stroke can be hacked on time, and I'm very happy that brain, it is help us to do what we know. And this is a message: 2 million brain cells die every minute. That means if you act on time, we can save a lot of things. Thank you so much, and it is very a pleasure for me to share this message. And I know that the Lord will bless us too much if we work together, and we help a lot of patients to stop this risk factor. And I was wanting to share another image. You can see here, this is two different. You can see here full, dark, it is in ischemic stroke, and then here you can see an hemorrhagic stroke. That means it is fatal of the patient, but we can prevent it if we know and if we work together to save a lot of patients.